for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay, the portfolio manager of the Rational Equity Armor Fund, HDCTX. Let's get right into it. We're seeing more of the same, very small up moves in the market. Some consolidating perhaps, and this morning we saw the VIX bottom out at 1681. Now, this might finally be a sign that volatility has finally come in. Of course, we're well below that 20 spot, which many people arbitrarily put as a benchmark for low volatility. We're still in a higher volatility regime as we used to be before the pandemic, but we certainly have come a long ways down. Now, for me, the reason for that is finally the market is getting some consolidation. Now, remember, volatility measures upward and downward movement, so if we're going to stop moving upward, perhaps maybe that's what the VIX coming in is telling me. Final point, real quick, we're heading into the last couple weeks of April. We have historically had a sell in May trade. Sometimes people get ahead of that trade, and we see April being a little bit of a rough month. We'll see how that plays out this year. Of course, we all know that can happen. As the market's well above a lot of its moving averages, a pullback could be steep and fast. To that point, we have the SKEW at 142. That's a sign that people are still paying up for downside protection, and also a sign to me that if there is a downward move in the market, the VIX will move up quickly. So we're watching all that. Now the VVIX finally coming in a little bit too, so that's a little bit softer, and the future still well above where the cash is, expecting maybe a return to normal volatility in the coming days. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.